Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I've been doing vlogs and everything else, but I figured I would change it up a little bit because as a female truck driver out here, we do our best to try and look presentable. So what I wanted to do is show you how I do my quick and easy, on the go makeup look, and especially for being out here because you're working and everything else. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, what I'm going to do here is add my Master Prime primer onto my face, especially around on my cheeks, you know, on my forehead, and really rub that in, pat that in right around there, and just make sure that I get a smooth surface to apply my foundation. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me in Pure Beige. I actually think it's too dark for me right here, but once I actually blend it all out, it does look really good. But I'm kind of like made that face like I think this is a little too dark. But I went ahead and blended all that out, and it was actually, I think, too light for me. So I might have to go up one shade, but more in summertime it gets, the darker I'm going to get, so I'm definitely going to have to go with the darker color. So I'm just going to go ahead and pound my face in with my beauty blender that I already have wet, and make sure I drop it down on my neck, under my eyes, around my face, and don't forget your ears. Yep, it does look good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. I love this. It's very full coverage, and it gets rid of all the dark circles that I have under my eyes, and especially my dark coloring. The darker I get, the more my dark coloring on my upper lip shows, so I definitely want to hit that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pound all that into my face and blend it in to make sure I have a brighter under eye. And now I'm adding my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock loose powder to set all that concealer that I have just put on my face. Press powder all over the rest of my face, and it is a matte powder, so that way I can have a nice mattified look. And now I'm going to use my Cheekathon, which I absolutely love this palette, and I'm going to use that Hoola bronzer to go ahead and bronze up my face. I will be placing this on my forehead and along my temples, and I will be going and smoothing out a little bit of a cheek. I'm not trying to do anything dramatic, just something simple to add some color to my face. And I always make the weirdest faces when I do makeup. I don't really realize it until I'm actually looking at myself in a video, but just make sure that I'm blending that in correctly so there are no harsh lines. And I just felt like I had to add some more, but it does look pretty good. Now I'm going to add the NYX Genuine Highlighting, and I'm adding that champagne color down there, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love this color. Like I said, I want to highlight, but I don't want to blind everybody going down the road, but it is a blinding for a drugstore makeup. Make sure you get some down my nose, blend that in, and now I should be using my Maybelline Fix setting spray. Just go ahead and lock all that in, and I will be taking a beauty blender and smashing all that in so it makes it look more flawless and more seamless to press all that setting spray in. Now for the brows. I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame, and the mirror is just in the way. I don't know how you guys are going to see anything, but I do eventually move the mirror out so I can actually show the camera. I'm just going to carve out my brows and more define. As you can tell, I don't have very many brows, so all I'm doing is adding some and making them look a little bit more fluffier. I love this little brush and spoolie came with it, and I absolutely love this. I do use this all the time, but as I said, it is in dark brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out the front part of my eyebrows. I don't square them off, I make them more fluffy. I think it looks a little bit more natural, but as you can see, adding just a little bit of that, I actually look like I have eyebrows and not just little pencils. I don't know why, but I just cannot get my eyebrows to grow. Maybe I just need to stop plucking them. Okay, now that it is taking me about 5 years later to finish my eyebrows, I think I'm finally done. Yep, looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to take that second color from the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and sweep that using smaller strokes and working an outer corner, working it into my upper part of my lid. Just go ahead and smooth that out. I'm just making windshield wiper motions, circle motions, just to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to blend until my hand falls off. I just want to go ahead and blend that out so there are no harsh lines. And I feel like I'm just going to do this forever. But I do love that color. It's a great transition color. I'm just going to have a couple colors on my eyes. I'm not going to do too much. Like I said, I drive a truck. I don't want to look like I'm going out for full glam to a club. I just want to make myself look more wide awake. So after I have both of that on my eyes, like I said, I'm just going to keep blending until my hands fall off. That is the key to good makeup. Now I'll go ahead and take that darker shade, and I'm going to mainly work on the outer corner. I'm going to blend that in to the crease of my eye, but I am going to stay mostly on the outer corner of my eye just to give my eye a little bit more definition. Like I said, add a little bit more to it. Make sure to flick off that excess. It's not really powdery, but I do love this palette. Like I said, very easygoing palette. I absolutely love it. And so just give a little bit of definition to my eye. And again with the other one, circular motions and windshield wiper motions. I'm going to use that darker shade. And just sweep back and forth. I'm moving around because they are unloading me at a shipper right now. So I literally got up, hit the dock, crawled in the back, and decided to put on my face. Not too shabby, looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take that lighter shade and I'm going to add it to my lower lash line. They hit my trailer hard on that one. Just give it a little bit of a pop and add that to the other eye. I said I don't do too much, just something simple to make myself look a little bit awake. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in waterproof, and I'm going to apply that to my lashes. About 10 coats it feels like, but it's not. And the mirror is in the way again. What am I thinking? But it does make my eyes pop. Like I said, I don't have very many lashes, but when I'm at home I do more of a glam. On the truck it's just something quick and simple. And there they go, bumping my trailer yet again. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit my lower lash line, or lower lashes. And I'm blocking so you guys can't see anything. I don't know what I'm thinking. It's my first one, guys. Bear with me, but I'm doing what I can. Ooh, now to dry them suckers. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that same highlighter that I had from the NYX palette to my inner corner. Go ahead and brighten up my eyes a little bit. And it looks so pretty. Now I'm taking the NYX Plush. I love this. I was not trying to match my shirt. I do love this color. I know it's not really great for summer, but it's a beautiful color and it glides on so smoothly. And my highlight on my nose is just, hello. Looking pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some more setting spray just to go ahead and lock all that makeup in and keep everything set for my day. And dry it down. I must have inhaled some to that look on my face. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making this. This was so much fun. And I would love to do more. Let me know in the comments below if this is what you guys want to see. Thank you. I love you guys so much.